What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video of bullshit. Today we're gonna be playing PC Building Simulator. Well, anyways, we have orders. People order PCs from us off of our computer right here. We gotta take the order, build it, then send it out. Hopefully, we don't fuck them up. Oh damn! We gotta pay $500 rent on the 25th. We're fucked. We gotta pay the utility bill on the 10th. Nah, bro, and we're negative $15. So thanks for taking over the PC shop for me. Sorry it's not in a better state. A few things. The company isn't doing very well and there's no money in the bank account. The rent and energy bills come out monthly, so make sure that you have enough money for them. I had a job to which yeah, I'm not reading that. I hope you can help me. My computer has been running slower than usual and I think I might have clicked on something I shouldn't have. You think I have a virus? Or do I have a virus? If you clicked on something you probably shouldn't have, you probably do. Pick up his PC. Yeah, now you need to put in your USB drive into the back of the PC. Install the virus scanner. Press 1 to install the USB drive, right? Yeah. Power on the PC. I'm just gonna click this. I don't know where its power button is. Looks like shit's running pretty smooth over here, my guy. See over here. Install the virus. Scanner. Virus scanner. Boom. Oh, can I turn the fan? Oh, it's PC. There's a lot of shit. Sorry about that, guys. Damn, 300. Now what? Place and delivery. Alright, great. Now you need to collect your pay. So go to my email. Where's my computer? Collect. $100, boys. Hold on. Let me work on my own PC right quick. And my game crashed. What? We gotta own 25%? Nah, bro. We gotta get on it. We're changing that ASAP. Broken graphics card? Okay. Hell yeah. We got some. Welcome, Gary. Alright. Could you ever. He's running good when I first bought it. I'm probably not taking the best care of it. It looks a bit dirty. Could you give it a one over, please? If you can, I'll bring it around. Oh, yeah, bro. Storage. What did he want? This one. That's at the cart. Yo, gang, I don't got fucking money for this. Realize how fucking poor I am. How much is the graphics card, bro? Why did I fucking accept it? Fuck. I'm gonna have to wait on his. Will they let me do that? I hope so. Yeah. Go to work. Go to work. Your parts are here. Yo, we are popping right now. Let's get it. All right, give me this. Okay. Which one needed? This one. This one. Okay. Remove that bitch. All right. We could sell this. Wait, do you want that back? I ain't giving it back. Crap about it. Boom. Boom. Power on. Over here to the screen. Fingers crossed. Unplug. Yeah, bitch. All this one. So yeah, he does want this one back. Yeah, let me fucking do this. make sure it run OS first. This is the first objective before the other one. One turn, please. Go. Okay. So we're good. Install this. Our hard drive. Plug in the cable. Close everything. Wait, why does it fucking do this? Don't be a hoe. Come on. Be a hoe. Don't be a hoe. Don't be a hoe. Let's go. Fucking go, boys. We did it. That's it. That's it now. We're done. Boom. Take it. Drop it off. Play my moolah for that right quick. This one. Boom. $330. Guys, we are fucking banking right now. Yeah, I'm about to clean yours right quick, bro. I don't remember seeing something about. Damn, this shit is dusty. Damn, bud. I think this is something you could do yourself now. You don't gotta send this bitch in.
All this dust, bro. This is not even working? There you go. Oh, yeah. Pretty good, pretty good.
Power. Over here. Turn on, turn on. Yes, sir. Ah, fuck. I forgot something. This. Just all porn. Duh. Damn, 460 bucks. What else we got? That's it. Now we just have this guy's, but we need to get his graphics card. What's his graphics card he wants? Give me this shit. Give me that cash. All right, what do you want? Wanted Sean GeForce GTX 9. Getting what you asked for. Ain't getting nothing better. All right, graphics card. This one, right? Nah, he didn't say XL. Get it twisted. All right, changed it. Damn it. Right here. This one. Damn. All right, this shit will be tomorrow, gang. Can't do you today. Daddy. Go to work. Parts here. Oh, yeah. We'll grab your piece. Move graphics card. Yeah, it's broken. Power it up. Go over to the monitor. Turn on, turn on. Go. That's it. Oh, damn. Go to work. All right. Got my RAM. Which one needed the RAM? Get him out the way real quick. Open it. Oh. True. Power it on. All good. All right, this shit is dusty as fuck. Oh, yeah. Wow. Yeah, it's not even Mike. Can I sell that old broken air cooler? Oh, I can have it. And then go to work. Come on, let's go. Go. Yo, this guy actually has stuff on his thing. No one else did. Resume. Let's see his resume. Permission denied on everything. Ah, it's protected. Wait, that was it, right? Yep. Collect. Which other one did I fix? Collect. Not. Let's read. Not do that. Powered on. I'm getting the hang of this. Fire scanner. Alright. It. There. Missing thermal paste. 6. No, nah. When did you buy a PC from me, bro? I do not recall. 6 months ago, I wasn't even here. Oh, bro, it's because the other guy was on. And I have to do that. You're a hoe. The doctor says you're a bitch. Oh yeah, the docs fake the fucking thermoplace thing. Oh yeah, on. Nice fucking operating pod. Shit. Can I have it run while I'm not there? Yes, sir. I don't think so. I hope not. Want to turn on? Oh. Wait for this one.